This looks like a movie scene.
But none of this was filmed, and no studio was used.
Every one of those scenes was generated from just one picture of my likeness.
And you can do this too, Bryce. Slightly shaken, never stirred.
This is the brand new Nano Banana X Fictions on Argil.ai, and again, it changes everything. Here's the proof. Just one photo of my likeness was used to create multiple cinematic video scenes with incredible consistency. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how it works and be able to create the same thing for yourself. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do it for yourself, step by step. And if you'd like to follow along, you can click on the pinned link in the comment below this video. When you come to the Argil website, this is what you'll see. And at the top right corner here, you've got start free trial, or if you already have a login, you can click sign in. Once you've signed in, you're going to land on this page here, where you've got the fictions at the top here, start from scratch project, article to video project, or UGC project. I'm going to start with the fictions project. So in the fictions project here, we've got upload your photo, and I'm going to click to upload a photo. You've got face only or face and environment, and I'm going to choose just face only for this. And here's the picture that I've already uploaded. I've got fictions chosen here and selected the picture, and when I create my prompt, I used one of the LLM models to help me create a JSON prompt, which is really good when you're using VO3 Fast, which this one here is using VO3 Fast. So I'm gonna put in my JSON prompt here, then 16 by 9, you've got your choice of 16 by 9 here, or 19 by 6. You got VO3 Fast as a model, VO3 or Haluo, and then here you've got the choice of sound on, sound is enabled for this video. Here's the avatar picture that we've selected. The voice, you can select a voice if you want to choose a particular voice and you're having the character say something, and you can choose an outfit. I'm not going to choose any of these for this first example. I'm just going to click generate. When you come into Argil for the first time, you're going to get 2 free generations. So you'll be able to try this out for yourself without it costing you anything. And here's what makes Argil unique, the Pimp My Avatar feature. In just 2 clicks, you can add outfits or up to 3 products into your video. Perfect for UGC creators, brands, or fashion try-ons. So we're going to add an outfit and add a prop for Mr. Bond here to hold. So I've got the avatar picture loaded here, and I've put in a prompt for him in a kitchen trying something from the ladle. And in here, I'm going to add the outfit. I'm going to upload it. I've got a picture of a chef's uniform, uploading that now. So we've got the chef's outfit. Then I'm going to upload a product in his hand, and the product's going to be a ladle. So it's not really a product, it's something I just want him to hold. So as he tries the soup, and now we're going to click generate. That's great, isn't it? You've got the sounds and everything. I messed up a bit in the prompt here because I got him in the wrong environment in terms of he's in like maybe the gadget area of James Bond instead of being in a kitchen. But he's got the whole outfit on, the sound of the restaurant, the ladle, everything. I'll change it quickly now to put him in an actual kitchen. So here's the scene reloaded in, and it's got this scene frame here which I need to delete. And I have the busy professional kitchen, and I'm just going to add in the outfit again, which is this one here, and the ladle as a product, and click generate. This is how I built the Bond intro, from running on a train, jumping on a helicopter with the tuxedo shots, all from a single picture. I asked for him to be in a bar having a drink while talking, and then you can see it starts with this image.
And you can do this too, Bryce. Slightly shaken, never stirred.
So within Argil, you can also train your own voice. So you come over to the left here and you click voices, and you can click create new voice and type next. Put in your name here, confirm, and then upload your voice over here. I do have a voice trained on 11 Labs as well, and you have the option to use that voice if you want to. And so I'm saving my voice here, and Argil is going to train on my voice so I can use it with avatars. So if you wanted to connect your own 11 Labs voice, you can come to the name that you want to put for the voice here, and then your 11 Labs API key for your voice here, and import your voice. So using that voice I just imported, we're going to create a video using my voice quickly. Paste in a JSON prompt here, where I'm still in the kitchen, tasting the food and saying a comment about the food. And we're going to choose my voice here. So we've got Barnabas's voice here, and we're going to choose the same outfit with the chef's outfit and the ladle in hand, and then click generate down here. This soup needs more salt. Another feature within Argil.ai is you can create your own avatar, or you can use an already created AI influencer. For this example, I'm going to show you one of the already created AI influencers. And we'll go with Tyler for this example, and create video, and write a short to medium length sentence separated by line breaks for new ideas. In this short script for him to speak, and then click next. And we've got the video format of 16:9 or 9:16. I'm going to go for 16:9 for this video. And we've got Tyler the newsman voice, and then add any images or videos that enhance your script. And then we've got auto B-rolls like stocks video, or we could use image generation. So we'll go for stock videos, and we'll go for high frequency in terms of how often the B-rolls show up in the video, and we'll choose a layout of auto and click create. So you can see the video is now creating. After a few minutes, it brings you to the screen where you can preview what has been created, and you can see
breaking news in the world of AI video.
So you can see the whole timeline laid out here at the bottom with the pictures over the top. You could change those pictures, you could change how they're laid out. You could choose it here if you want to have a zoomed in version of the presenter, or you could choose a side view of the presenter, which is so cool, different camera angles here. And let's mix that up. We'll have a quick look along the timeline here. And instead of this overlay shot here, we'll delete that and let it change to the side shot. Now let's click generate, and you can choose 720, 1080 or 1440. I'll just go for 1080 in this case and click generate. And there's one more game changer. Argil also lets you create talking avatars with their own built-in lip sync technology developed in-house by Argil.ai.
Breaking news in the world of AI video. Argil now lets you turn a single picture into a lifelike video. Add outfits, props, even change the environment, and your avatar stays perfectly consistent. The future of content creation is here.
So that's the Nano Banana X Fictions feature on Argil.ai, making any video from just one picture with outfits, props, environments, and now even talking avatars. And if you'd like to try this yourself, you can try it right now. The first 2 generations are free if you click on the pinned link in the comment below this video. And if you want to keep up with every major AI video breakthrough, make sure to subscribe, because you'll be kept up to date here on the Pure Act channel.